In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Stanley Steemer coupon promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Stanley Steemer coupon promo code. Go to this website right here, which is called Tell Me Not, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this phone with a 15% discount of any cleaning service. All you need to do is just select the button where it says show code, and this is the promo code that you can copy, and you can apply this one on our next order to get a 15% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Simply Codes, and here we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discount. So if you want to get this one with a $20 discount, simply select this button where it says view code, and this is the promo code that you can copy, and you can apply it on your next order to get a $20 discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.